First, let us define AMU. AMU. What is the full form of AMU? Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. What is its value? Value of AMU? 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. 1 AMU. 1 AMU. What is the use of AMU? What is the purpose of AMU? See, kg, grams, milligrams, these are the units of weights. To express the units for larger objects. AMU is used to express the weights of smaller objects like fundamental particles. Okay, electrons, protons, and even atoms, molecules also. So write AMU. AMU is used to express weights of FP. FP stands for fundamental particles. Fundamental particles, atoms, molecules. Okay. Just a second. Next. Stuck ability. Just a second. Right, next. 1 AMU is equal to 1 by Na grams. Note down this expression also. 1 by Na grams. Right. This statement also given in NEET. Say recently, this is important. Recently, AMU is replaced by U. U stands for, instead of AMU, we can use U. U stands for unified mass. U stands for unified mass. Did you complete that? Next word, atomic mass. Atomic. Online students, are you following? Hello, online students. Okay. Atomic mass. Next word, AMU is our next. Atomic mass. Mass of one atom is called as atomic mass, or or mass of one isotope, mass of one isotope is called as atomic mass. Atomic mass. How it is obtained? It is obtained by adding, tell me anybody, online students, adding protons and neutrons. Right. What are the units of atomic mass? What are the units of atomic mass? Atomic mass is expressed in AMU. See, atomic weight do not contain units. There is no unit for atomic weight, but atomic mass is expressed in AMU. And it is always whole number. Write that statement also. It is always whole number. It is always whole number. I will give you one table to understand atomic mass, atomic weight, relative atomic mass, gram atomic weight. Okay. Next, relate to atomic mass, abbreviated as RAM, relative atomic mass, RAM, or atomic weight, relative atomic mass are also called as atomic weight. It is the average of masses of all isotopes. See, atomic weight and atomic mass. What is atomic mass? Mass of one isotope only. Atomic weight is average of masses of all the isotopes. Atomic mass is mass of one isotope only. Atomic weight is average of masses of all isotopes. Okay. See, it is a relative term. It has no units. Relative atomic mass or atomic weight. It has no units because it is a relative term. In the numerator, unit will come, and denominator unit will come. Both units will be cancelled. Okay, relative term. It has no units. Important statement. It has no units. For example, atomic weight of, look at this. Atomic weight of sodium is 23 grams. Is it correct? Atomic weight of sodium is 23 grams. Is it correct? Online students. What is this statement? It has no units. So wrong statement this is. For neat theoretical questions will come. Okay, atomic weight do not contain units. Next, gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight or gram atom. Gram atomic weight or gram atom. It is abbreviated as GAW. GAW. Gram atomic weight. See, we know atomic weight do not contains any units, right? If atomic weight is expressed in grams, that is called as gram atomic weight. Atomic weight expressed in grams. Atomic weight expressed in grams is called as gram atomic weight, also called as gram atom. Both are same, gram atomic weight or gram atom. So atomic mass, atomic weight, gram atomic weight. Tell me the units. Atomic mass expressed in AMU. Atomic weight, no units. Gram atomic weight expressed in grams. So now let us write some important elements and their atomic masses, atomic weights. What happened to this today? Element, atomic mass, atomic weight, and gram atomic weight. GAW. GAW stands for gram atomic weight. Hydrogen, 1.008. Let us take it as a 1 AMU. 1 AMU. Atomic weight 1 only. Gram atomic weight 1 gram. Some important elements list. Carbon atomic mass, online students, 12 AMU, 12 and 12 grams. This list is important. Okay, during numericals we should know about molecular masses or molecular weights. For that we should have idea about atomic weights. If we add atomic weights of all the elements, then we will get molecular weight. Okay. Nitrogen 14 AMU, 14 and 14 gram. Okay. Oxygen 16 AMU, 16 grams. Sodium 23 AMU, 23 grams. Magnesium Mg 24 AMU, 24 grams. Aluminium 27 AMU, 27 grams. Phosphorus 31 AMU, 31 and 31 grams. Sulfur 32. Chlorine, online students, chlorine 35.5 5 AMU, 35.5 and 35.5 grams. Argon 40. Potassium 39 grams. Calcium 40 AMU, 40 grams. Iron copper 63.5, let us take it as a 64, approximately 64 AMU. Zinc 65.3, let us take it as a 65 AMU, 65 grams. Last one, Ag 108 AMU, 108 and 108 grams. Next, write fastly molecular mass. Molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Can you define molecular mass? Mass of one molecule. Mass of one molecule is called as molecular mass. What are the units for this? Units. Molecular mass is expressed in units. AMU. Molecular mass. Molecular weight. Molecular weight or relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass. RMM, relative molecular mass. It has no units. Right, important point. It has no units. See, when molecular weight is given to you, it should not contain any units. Okay, molecular weight means just say the number. What is molecular weight of water? 18. Molecular weight of O2, 32. Molecular weight, atomic weight do not contain any units. Theoretical questions are there, that's why I am giving these basics, right? But molecular mass has units. Molecular mass is expressed in AMU. Molecular weight do not contain any units. This is important point that I given that point. Next, gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight. What happened to this today? Next, gram molecular weight. Molecular weight expressed in grams. Write simple definition: molecular weight expressed in grams. Isotopes along with isotopes. For example, look at this: H2O, H2O, H2O. Here, if I consider hydrogen as 1H1, here 1H2, 1H2. Okay, right. Molecular weight is expressed in grams, is called as gram molecular weight. Write some important molecules and their weights. See, if you know at least 10 molecules and their weights, then your time will be saved. For example, NaOH, CaCO3, methane, ethane, all these weights. Otherwise, you can calculate. I'll give you some important molecules and their weights. Okay. Methane. Calculate fast. Methane molecular weight. Carbon atomic weight is 12. 12 and 4. So 60. So write directly. Very, very important molecules and their weights. Gram molecular weight. So in such a unit also gram. Sorry, here 16 gram. Next, for CaCO3, 100 grams. Sodium hydroxide, sodium 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1, 40 grams. Glucose, C6H12O6. Glucose, 180 grams. Gram molecular weight is 180 grams. Sulfur dioxide, SO2. Sulfur atomic weight 32. 32 plus 32, 64. 64 grams. Sulfuric acid 98 grams. Online students, are you following, girls? Low level fundamentals I am giving to you. HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen is 1, chlorine is 35.5, 36.5. O2, N2, O2, 32. You write units also. Nitrogen 28. H2. See, these are very, very important. Very, very important. You know, number of atoms calculation, number of molecules calculation. Okay, based on these units. Sorry, weights only. ఇవాళ మనకేంటి ముహూర్తం బాగాలేదు శ్రావ్య, నీకు అట్లా అయిపోయింది, ఇది ఇట్లా అయిపోయింది. నిన్నటి వరకు సూపర్గా పనిచేసింది, చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉన్నట్టు. నెక్స్ట్కి పెట్టి యావరేజ్ అటామిక్ వెయిట్. యావరేజ్ అటామిక్ వెయిట్. యావరేజ్ అటామిక్ వెయిట్. Percentage, summation percentage abundance into atomic weight divided by 100. Average atomic. See, when we use this formula, when we have 3 isotopes, okay, with abundances and with atomic weights, then we can calculate average atomic weight. Percentage abundance into atomic weight. అచ్చా, ఇది సంగతి. ఇందాక చిన్నోడు వచ్చాడు కదా. ఓకే ఓకే, ఊరికనే వెళ్తారా వాళ్ళు? రైట్, నెక్స్ట్. ఓకే ఓకే. Write one note. This 1 carat. This is general unit actually. Generally we'll forget 1 carat value. In the stoichiometry calculation, it will come in the numerical part. Okay. 1 carat is 200 milligrams, right? Now, 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? 1000. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. General units, okay, units will come in the calculations. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, that is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, 1000 centimeter cube. So 10 ml is equal to 10 centimeter cube, 100 ml is equal to 100 centimeter cube, and 10 power minus 3 meter cube 1 liter is equal to, or 1 decimeter cube, 1 decimeter cube. Completed. Write another note, STP. STP conditions. New and old. Generally we use old conditions: temperature, pressure and volume. Can we guess temperature in degree centigrade at STP? How much temperature we take? 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin. Pressure according to old terminology 1 atm, and volume is 22.4 liter. New 0 degree centigrade only, same Kelvin 273, no change, and pressure is 1 bar. Volume will change, volume is 27.4 liter, but we use old only. 27 and 22, this is 22, we use old during numerical. According to new conventions, 27.4 liter. What is density of water? Online students, what is density of water? Density of water 1000. Note down. Next note. These are very important and small subtopics, that's why I am giving in the middle actually. Density of water is equal to 1 gram per ml. 1 gram per ml means 1 ml water weight is 1 gram. That is the meaning. Density of water is 1 gram per ml means 1 ml water weight is 1 gram. 1 gram water contains how much volume? 1 ml. That is the meaning. 1 gram water occupies 1 ml volume. That is the meaning. 10 grams 10 ml, 100 grams 100 ml, 1000 grams 1000 ml. Temperature? One carat value 200 milligrams. 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? 1000 milligrams. Now keep adding. Mole concept. Mole concept. 1 dozen is equal to 12 entities. 1 mole is equal to how many entities? 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 entities. Let us take it as 6 into 10 power 23. Generally, we use dozen to express 12 objects, right? Similarly, we use mole to express these many objects. 6 into 10 power 23 means infinite. We cannot count. One mole means?
One mole consists of different type of fundamental particles.
1 mole contains these many entities. 1 mole of water molecules means how many water molecules? 6 into 10 power 23 water molecules. 1 mole of carbon atoms means 6 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms, like that. So 1 dozen means 12 objects. Like 1 mole means these many objects. Okay, generally mole is used to express chemical units, chemical species. Okay, atoms, molecules, ions, small particles. For bigger objects we use dozen, pair. For smaller objects we use mole. Especially chemical species are very small, right? Particles, ions, right? Note down this circle. Number of moles. Number of moles. Question coming area. Okay, based on number of moles, number of atoms. Number of moles is equal to weight by, given weight by gram molecular weight. Number of moles. Remember this expression. Number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Number of moles is equal to volume in liter by 22.4 liters. Right. Look at this. Can we equate weight and volume terms? Tell me. Yes, because number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Number of moles is equal to volume in liter by 22.4 liter. So we can equate these two. Okay, let us write formulas, important formulas related to mole, and some statements also. Very important formulas. First expected question, because several times question came on this, number of atoms, molecules finding. Okay. Number of moles, within the bracket write here, number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight of the given substance by gram molecular weight. First formula. Second one, number of atoms. Number of atoms is equal to, online students, number of atoms. Atomicity into number of moles into Na, Avogadro number. What is atomicity? Yeah, atomicity is equal to number of atoms in a molecule. Number of atoms in a molecule. Let us write some examples to find atomicity. Examples: CO2. In CO2, how many carbon atoms are there? 1. Oxygens? 2. So total atomicity is 3. CaCO3. Tell me CaCO3 atomicity.
5.
Calcium 1, carbon 1, oxygens 3. Online students, you tell me oxygen atomicity. Shravya, oxygen atomicity. Santoshni? Oxygen means you. Mahasweta. Oxygen means what we have to consider. Throughout the stoichiometry or throughout chemistry, oxygen means considered diatomic. Oxygen means O2, nitrogen means N2, hydrogen means H2. Okay, when particularly question comes on at number of atoms, number of gram atoms, okay, then consider O only. Otherwise, consider O2, N2 like that. So, oxygen atomicity 2. Oxygen means O2. 2. Helium. Helium atomicity. Online students? Online students. Helium. Helium. Monoatomic. Atomicity 1. Carbon. Carbon. Carbon means carbon element only. Carbon element only. One only. Carbon. So we completed 2 formulas. Number of moles, once all of you remember, number of moles is equal to what is the formula? Weight by gram molecular weight. Number of atoms? Atomicity into number of moles into Avogadro number. We will do worksheet also today only, based on first expected question. Wait for some time. Next formula, third formula, number of molecules. Number of molecules. Number of moles into Na, Avogadro number. Number of moles into Avogadro number. And fourth formula, relation between weight and volume. Weight by gram molecular weight is equal to volume in liter by 22.4 liters. The fourth formula, relation between weight and volume. All these are important formulas. Next, fifth one, number of gram atoms. Number of gram atoms. Given weight by gram atomic weight. Given weight by gram atomic weight. Number of gram atoms. Number of moles, number of atoms, number of molecules. Okay, relation between weight and volume, and the number of gram atoms. Sixth one, number of gram molecules. Number of gram molecules. Given weight by gram molecular weight. Number of gram molecules. Sweta, okay Nanta? చల్లేస్తుందా? Now see, very important conversions. what is the weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms? What is the weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 water molecules? Like that, conversions. Okay. See, understanding mole is very, very important. Just now we completed the formulas, right? Now understanding the moles. Mole in terms of different forms. For example, I am saying one statement. The weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 O2 molecules means 1 mole weight. Okay, right. Next important other forms of moles. Weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Look at this. Weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms is equal to gram atomic weight. For example, what is the weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 nitrogen atoms? What is nitrogen gram atomic weight? Nitrogen gram atomic weight 14. I'll give you one example to understand this statement. See, weight of these many atoms is equal to gram atomic weight. See the example, weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 nitrogen atoms. I am mentioning atoms, so don't consider N2 and atoms. Now tell me, gram atom. What is the gram atomic weight? 14 grams. Okay. See, in reverse format I am asking. One, stop writing. How many atoms are present in? How many nitrogen atoms are present in 14 grams? 6.023. Clear? Another example. Weight of 6.023, consider 6 into 10 power 23 oxygen atoms. 16 grams. How many oxygen atoms are present in 16 grams of oxygen? Like that. And you tell me, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 means equal to mole. 1 mole. So 1 mole nitrogen atom's weight is 14 grams. Or simply remember like this. Right. Next. Weight of 6 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules is equal to gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight. Example, weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 H2 water molecules. Tell me how much? How much? 18? Very, very important. 18 grams is the weight of how many water molecules? 18 grams. 18 grams is the weight of how many water molecules? These many. Now you tell me, what is the weight of one water molecule? What is the weight of one water? See. 100 chocolates weight is 1000 grams. 100 chocolates weight is 1000 grams. What is the weight of one chocolate? How can we calculate? General cross multiplication only, no? See, these many water molecules weight is 18 grams. Then what is the weight of one water molecule?
18.
Like that we will do the questions, right? So remember, what is the weight of 6 into 10 to the power of 23 water molecules? Say it's a molecular weight. Say it's molecular weight. Okay? Right. Next. Weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Say some O2 molecules. Tell me. 32 grams. Say molecular weight only. Whenever you observe Avogadro number of molecules, say molecular weight. Whenever you observe Avogadro number of atoms, say atomic weight. Okay. Different terms. Okay. One mole of carbon atoms weight is equal to gram atom of carbon. This is also another relation. 1 mole of not only carbon atoms, any atoms. 1 mole of some X atoms weight is equal to gram atomic weight of that X. See generalization. 1 mole of X atoms. X may be any carbon, nitrogen, any atom weight is equal to gram atom. 1 gram atom or gram atom of X. See, at the beginning you will get some confusion, but if we do the question, then we'll get some clarity. Okay. Now you tell me, 1 gram of carbon atoms means how many carbon atoms? 1 mole of carbon atoms. 1 gram atom of X means 1 mole of X atoms. So 1 gram atom nothing but 1 mole. Remember, very very important. 1 gram atom nothing but 1 mole. 1 gram atom nothing but 1 mole. 1 gram molecule nothing but 1 mole only. Okay. Online students. Online students, are you getting? Hello. What I am saying, tell me. 1 gram atom means 1 mole. 1 gram molecule means 1 mole only. So during the numericals, if you get 1 gram molecule, don't get confusion. Gram molecule nothing but 1 mole only. One gram molecule. These terms are very important. Read today only. 1 gram molecule nothing but 1 mole only. Or simply, what is another term for mole? Gram molecule. Gram atom, gram molecule. Synonym, nothing but mole, nothing but gram molecule. One gram molecule, like 1 gram atom. So during our numericals, if gram mole comes, consider it as a mole. 1 gram mole means 1 mole. Okay. Last relation, then we will go with numerical part. Look at this. 1 mole of O2 at STP. Can you write the related information? 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies how much volume? 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. Now, what is the weight of 1 mole of O2? Before that I said 1 mole of O2 molecule's weight is nothing but a gram molecular weight only. Gram molecular weight. So 1 mole of O2 weight is 32 grams. 32 grams. 1 mole of substance contains how many molecules? Avogadro number. Avogadro number Na, nothing but 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 O2 molecules are present. O2 molecules. How many atoms are present? How many atoms? What is the formula for number of atoms calculation? Number of atoms. Atomicity 2 into number of moles. This is 1 mole now into Avogadro number. 2 Na oxygen atoms are present. We will do numericals. Just write directly. Online students, hello. What is formula for number of gram atoms? Given weight by gram atomic weight. First I will give you some basic level questions so that you can remember the formulas. Then we will go with the PDF. I prepared already PDF. First of all, do one question, basic level question. Pragnika, Ketara, are you following girls? Kirti? First, a few fundamental questions, okay, basic level questions to remember the numeric formulas. Very simple, basic level questions. Find the number of moles of 1.8 grams of glucose. Try. What is the formula for number of moles? Atomicity into Avogadro number. Oh, number of moles. You have to calculate number of moles. See, formulas given 0.01. See, given weight. How much weight is given? 1.8. What is gram molecular weight of glucose? 180. Number of moles formula. Number of moles weight by gram molecular weight. 1.8 by 180. How much? 0.01. Next, find number of atoms. After these problems, we will go with the worksheet. Find number of atoms in 5 grams of limestone. Number of atoms in 5 grams of limestone. What is the answer? Online students. What is the answer, online students? Limestone formula. What is the formula of limestone? Limestone formula is CaCO3. First write atomicity. Atomicity is equal to, how many atoms are there? Calcium is 1 plus carbon is 1, oxygens are 3, so 5. What is the formula for number of atoms? Number of atoms is equal to Na by 4. Okay. Number of atoms is equal to atomicity into number of moles into Avogadro number. These formulas for practice only. Okay. Practice for the formulas actually. Atomicity is 5. What is the formula for number of moles? Before that we did one question on number of moles only. What is the formula? Weight by gram molecular. Number of moles formula into Na. 5 into weight, how much given? 5. What is the gram molecular weight? CaCO3 sensory 100, remember. Into Na. You can keep Na as it is, or based on the options you can expand. 25 by 100. Or 25 into 6 into 10 to the power of 23, below 100 is there, no, so 21. So 25 into 6, 150, right? 150 into 10 power 21, that is equal to 15 into 10 power 15 into 10 to the power of 22. Which of the following has highest mass? Which of the following has highest mass? 1 mole of water, 0.5 mole of 0.5 mole of oxygen, 0.5 mole of oxygen, say 1 gram atom, 1 gram atom of carbon, 1 gram atom of carbon, 2 gram atoms of 2 gram atoms of nitrogen. See, 1 gram atom of any element is nothing but write its atomic weight. Remember, 1 gram atom of any element, nothing but its atomic weight only. We know what is 1 mole of water. What is the weight of 1 mole of water? 18 grams. 18 grams. Fourth option. Let us see. 0.5 moles of oxygen means? You tell me. 1 mole of oxygen. Oxygen means what we have to consider? O2. 1 mole of oxygen is 32 O2. But 0.5 mole is 16 grams. 16 grams. Next, remember 1 gram atom of carbon, 1 gram atom of oxygen, 1 gram atom of silver. Say atomic weight. What is atomic weight of carbon? 12 grams. Remember, 1 gram atom of any element, nothing but say its atomic weight. 1 gram atom is atomic weight. Then 2 gram atoms? 2 into 14. 2 into 14. 20. So answer is 28. 1 gram atom of any element is equal to its atomic weight, gram atomic weight. Okay. Find weight of one oxygen atom three into 10 to the power of 23 water molecules.